So Buffy Cats, today you're going to school.
Yay! I cannot wait to learn something new.
School? Screw that crap. I'm not going to school.
Boss, watch yo foul language mouth, you asshole.
I agree with Lampo, shut your grill.
Look who's talking, you were the queen of Maine.
Yes, I used to be a troublemaker, but now I have changed and you should too.
I agree with Pilu. Now let's get going now. Or I'll use my cat foo on you.
Fine.
When they arrived at school,
I'll pick you guys after school's done. Bye-bye for now.
By Lampo. As for you, boss, behave at school, or else your ass is cooked.
And fine, piss off. Blister and Scab, my homies, I missed you so much.
Same with us, boss, we missed you too.
oh no, double trouble. Hello kids, I'm Unikity and I'll be your teacher. Now let's start the lesson. Pilu, what's 100 plus 50? 150. Correct. Boss, what's 90 times 100?
My wiggly willy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, boss, how dare you mistreat me like that? That's it, you're suspended for 12095637492748265736585 years. Get the fuck out of my sight now.
Oh, boss, how dare you mistreat your teacher? Like that, that's it, you're grounded, until Judgment Day. Now get your ass to bed now.